Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on your phone. Adobe has developed a fantastic suite of mobile applications, bringing powerful creative tools right to your fingertips. Whether you are editing photos, designing graphics, or managing documents, these apps offer incredible flexibility. You can seamlessly work on projects from virtually anywhere, transforming your phone into a portable creative studio. Let's dive into how you can harness this power. Adobe offers several key mobile applications tailored for different needs. For instance, Adobe Express is perfect for crafting stunning social media posts or flyers in minutes. If photo editing is your passion, Lightroom Mobile provides professional-grade tools for adjustments and organization. Acrobat Reader is essential for handling PDF documents, allowing you to view, annotate, and even sign them directly on your device. Photoshop Express offers quick, intuitive photo enhancements. Getting started with Adobe on your phone is straightforward. First, simply download your desired Adobe application from your phone's App Store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Next, sign in using your Adobe ID to unlock all cloud features and synchronize your projects across devices. Take a moment to explore the intuitive, touch-friendly interface designed for ease of use. Leveraging cloud storage ensures your creative work is always accessible, no matter which device you are using. To maximize your Adobe mobile experience, consider a few helpful tips. Ensure your phone has ample storage, especially for larger project files, which can be several hundred megabytes. For intricate tasks, using a stylus can provide much greater precision in apps like Fresco or Lightroom. Always connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for seamless and faster cloud synchronization. Finally, learning the app's specific gesture controls will significantly boost your efficiency and workflow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.